Hello viewers, this is Liba Buhay. Today we will be picking the wild Swedish blueberries. These blueberries are different like the other blueberries you buy in the store, like the American blueberries. This one it's actually more delicious because it tastes like this intense. It's like a very good combination of sweetness and a little bit of sour. So it's actually very nice. I got help from my son here picking up because today we will be making blueberry pie. So here we have this kind of picker, because if you pick it by hand one by one, well, you can do it too, but it will take you a lot of times. You can put in the basket, Adrian. So here I will show you, and these blueberries are just growing in my yard. It's a lot of them. So I will give you a that's how they look like. Blueberries. So the month of July is actually the best time to pick up wild blueberries. You can also buy them actually in the store, but they are not that very cheap either, and it's great. It's good activity for kids. Adrian is very good in picking them. Here, Adrian. So can you show me the box? So it looks like that. There are some pickers that are really very big, and most of those people who are really picking wild blueberries in the mountains, you know, in the big forest, they actually use those very big pickers. They still looks like that, but they are bigger and wider. This one actually is made for kids. Går det bra, Adrian? We have there in the basket. We will just be picking up. That is quite enough for us to make our blueberry pie. So as you see, they look like that. Before I came to Sweden, I was so interested in thinking like, oh, wild blueberries. So when I came, I usually love to pick them up by hand. It's kind of therapeutic too. Can you show me, Adrian? So it looks like that when you pick them up. When they were very small, the three of them usually help each other, but my eldest is 16, the second one he is 13, and he is actually the one requesting that we will make a blueberry pie. But he's sitting there with his computer. But later on, I will really ask him to go out, because I never wanted them to just sit in their computers. Anyway, I hope you enjoy watching. So when you pick them up by hand, all you do is you just do that, and it can take time when you pick them by hand, and then they look like that. Before, when I will be picking up a lot, I usually use some kind of gloves in my hands, because it can take time to take out the stain from your hand. But anyway, doesn't matter. Thank you so much for watching. See you again next time.